remember the bull. Charlie. Here we go. You know what, Johnny?
Yes.
I'm jinxing the guys.
You jinx him?
I get it. That's right. Ethan Proud. Oh, boy. Ball playing forward. Pick it on the right. All the service team looking on. They're cheering for this guy. I'm cheering for him. I'm not supposed to be biased in any way, but I like what I see. Am I right? How about an 83?